So cute. Now you can start crying.
Need some more light in here.
Little boy. Cute little boy. That's yeah.
The top switch, apparently. Yeah, the top does the light.
Let's go look at that. He's my little boy. That's going to be caught on camera.
What?
Belching.
Oh, me?
Hey. Hey, little boy. You smile for the camera? Oh. Oh. Aww. Sweet thing. Oh. Oh, little Clefty chin. Oh. Let me see your tongue. You stick out your tongue? You stick out your tongue? Come on. Where is it? Where's the tongue? Where's your tongue? You know what's in there? Ah, there it is. There it is. There it is.
No, he doesn't like that. Your finger stinks.
Yeah.
It's tall man.
No, this is
No.
This is Pointer. Where is Tall Man? Where is Tall Man? Here he is. Here he is. What you looking for? What you looking for? What you looking for? Oh. Oh, you have a milky tongue. It's milky white. You look silly. You put that away now. You put that away.
He's hungry.
Oh, he learned a new trick. He doesn't want to stop. He might forget how. He's so cute. With his little round cheekies. Cheekies. Yeah. Cheekies. A little Clefty chin. And a little fat cheeky. Cheeky monkey. Cheeky monkey. A little button nose. He's got some eyebrows now. What you doing? Are you a good boy tonight at the restaurant? So now you're sticking out your tongue, but you won't smile. Where's the smile? Just get his legs going. No, he'll do it on his own. He'll do it on his own. Kick those legs, little swimmer, little tadpole.